Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited because there's just something about this time of year that makes me want to get cozy, bake cookies, and deck the halls. The holidays are all about creating those warm, inviting spaces where memories are made. And what better way to add that special touch of magic than with some beautiful Christmas decorations? So, if you're ready to transform your home into a winter wonderland, stick around because I'm sharing some of my favorite Christmas decorating ideas that will make your home feel extra festive this year. When it comes to Christmas decorating, I always say start with the front door. It's the gateway to your home and sets the tone for the entire holiday season. A well-decorated front door can make your home feel inviting and festive even before guests step inside. It's the first thing people see, so you want it to make a statement. A front door adorned with a beautiful wreath can convey warmth, joy, and the spirit of the season. It's like a big festive welcome sign that says, "Come on in and celebrate with us." And nothing says Merry Christmas quite like a beautiful wreath. Wreaths have been a symbol of eternity and unending life for centuries, making them a perfect decoration for this time of year. They are not just decorative, they carry a rich history and tradition. Think fresh greenery, like cedar or pine, and add pops of color with berries, pine cones, or even some sparkly ornaments. Fresh greenery not only looks beautiful, but also brings a wonderful natural fragrance to your doorstep. The combination of textures and colors can create a stunning visual impact. You can go for a classic look with red and green, or try something a little different with silver and gold. The traditional red and green evoke a sense of nostalgia and timelessness, while silver and gold can add a touch of elegance and modernity to your decor. And don't forget a pretty ribbon. A ribbon can tie the whole look together, adding a touch of softness and elegance. Whether you choose a bold, wide ribbon or a delicate, thin one, it can make your wreath stand out even more. It's the perfect finishing touch. The ribbon can also be a way to personalize your wreath, perhaps by choosing a color or pattern that has special meaning to you or your family. A wreath is such an easy way to add instant charm and warmth to your home's exterior. It's a small detail that can make a big difference, transforming your front door into a festive focal point. So, this holiday season, take a little extra time to create or choose the perfect wreath. It's a simple yet impactful way to spread holiday cheer right from your doorstep. Now let's talk about the heart of Christmas decorating, the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree is often the centerpiece of holiday decor, and it's where you can truly express your creativity and personal style. Whether you prefer a traditional look or something more modern, the possibilities are endless. This is where you can really let your personality shine. Think about what makes you happy, and what represents your family. Maybe it's a collection of ornaments from your travels or handmade decorations that your kids have created over the years. I love mixing different textures and finishes on my tree. Think velvet ribbons, mercury glass ornaments, and even some rustic wooden pieces. The combination of these elements can create a visually stunning and unique tree that reflects your personal taste. Rustic wooden ornaments add a touch of nature and simplicity to your tree. They can be handmade or store-bought, but either way they bring a warm, earthy feel to your holiday decor. Don't be afraid to incorporate family heirlooms or vintage finds for a touch of nostalgia. These pieces often have stories and memories attached to them, making your tree even more special and meaningful. And one of my favorite things to do is add in natural elements like cinnamon sticks, dried oranges, or even popcorn garlands. These items not only look beautiful, but also add a wonderful scent to your home, enhancing the festive atmosphere. They add such a cozy, homemade feel. There's something incredibly charming about a tree adorned with decorations that you've made yourself or that have been passed down through generations. Remember, it's all about creating a look you love, so have fun with it, and don't be afraid to experiment. Try out different color schemes, mix and match various styles, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Decorating your Christmas tree should be a joyful and creative experience that brings your family together and fills your home with holiday cheer. There's something truly magical about twinkling lights during the holidays. They add such a warm and inviting glow to your home. And the best part is, you can use them in so many different ways. Drape fairy lights on your mantle, wrap them around your banister, or even hang them from your kitchen cabinets. And don't forget about candles. I love using candles with scents like pine, cinnamon, or vanilla to really create that festive ambiance. Just remember to be safe and never leave candles unattended. Chapter 4. Cozy Up. Creating a warm and inviting living room. The living room is where you'll likely spend most of your time during the holidays, so you want it to feel extra cozy and inviting. This is the heart of your home during the festive season, where memories are made and laughter is shared. It's the perfect place to unwind after a long day of holiday preparations, or to gather with loved ones for a movie night. Start by layering in soft textures like plush throws, cozy pillows, and maybe even a faux fur rug. These elements not only add warmth but also create a sense of comfort and luxury. Imagine sinking into a sofa adorned with soft, fluffy pillows and wrapping yourself in a warm throw as you sip on hot cocoa. The tactile experience of these textures can make your living room feel like a true sanctuary. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns and colors, but try to stick to a cohesive color palette for a pulled-together look. This doesn't mean everything has to match perfectly, but rather that the colors and patterns should complement each other. For instance, you could choose a color scheme of reds, greens, and golds, and then play with different patterns within that palette. This approach adds visual interest and depth to your decor without making it feel chaotic. And of course, no cozy living room is complete without a crackling fire. The warmth and glow of a fireplace can instantly make a room feel more inviting. If you have a real fireplace, make sure to keep it well stocked with wood and ready to light. The sound of the crackling fire and the sight of the dancing flames can be incredibly soothing and add to the overall ambiance of your living room. If you don't have a fireplace, you can always create a cozy corner with some candles and a stack of your favorite holiday books. Candles can mimic the warm glow of a fire and add a touch of magic to your space. Choose candles with holiday scents like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla to enhance the festive atmosphere. Pair this with a collection of holiday-themed books or magazines, and you have the perfect spot to relax and enjoy the season. Whether you're reading a classic Christmas story or flipping through a holiday recipe book, this cozy corner can become your personal retreat during the busy holiday season. Gather round setting a festive holiday table. Now let's talk about setting a festive table for all those holiday meals. I love using natural elements like evergreen branches, pine cones, and even cranberries to create a simple yet elegant centerpiece. Don't be afraid to get creative with your place settings. You can use festive napkins, personalized ornaments, or even sprigs of rosemary tied with twine. And for an extra special touch, consider using pretty glassware and serving pieces. Remember, it's all about creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for your guests to enjoy. Bringing the outdoors in, using natural elements in your decor. One of my favorite things about Christmas decorating is incorporating natural elements. It adds such a rustic and organic feel to your home. Think pine cones, evergreen branches, berries, and even things like magnolia leaves or birch branches. You can use them to create wreaths, garlands, centerpieces, or even just scatter them around your home for a touch of natural beauty. And the best part is, most of these materials can be found right in your own backyard. There's something so special about adding handmade touches to your Christmas decor. It's a great way to get creative and add a personal touch to your home. You can find so many easy DIY Christmas craft ideas online, from homemade ornaments to festive garlands. One of my favorite things to do is make salt dough ornaments with my kids. It's a fun activity that the whole family can enjoy. And don't forget about wrapping paper. You can create your own unique wrapping paper using stamps, paint, or even natural elements like leaves and twigs. Warmth and cheer the festive fireplace mantle. The fireplace mantle is a focal point in any room, so it's the perfect place to add some holiday cheer. Start with a garland. You can use fresh greenery, a classic evergreen garland, or even something more unique like a popcorn or cranberry garland. Then, layer in candles, stockings, and other festive decorations. I love using vintage mirrors or old windows above the mantle to reflect the light and create a cozy ambiance. And don't forget about the hearth. You can stack firewood, place candles, or even arrange a collection of lanterns for a warm and inviting glow. Deck the halls. Decorating your staircase for Christmas. Don't forget about the staircase when you're decorating for Christmas. It's a great way to add a festive touch to your home's entryway. You can drape a garland along the banister, hang stockings from the railing, or even add some festive lights. If you have family photos displayed on your staircase, consider switching them out for holiday-themed photos or Christmas cards. And for a fun and whimsical touch, you can even hang ornaments or pine cones from the banister with ribbon. Spreading holiday cheer outdoor Christmas decorations. Now let's take the festive fun outdoors. Start by adding some greenery to your front porch. You can hang wreaths on the windows, drape garlands around the columns, or even place potted evergreens on either side of the door. Don't forget about lighting. String lights around your porch railings, trees, or even your mailbox for a warm and inviting glow. And if you really want to make a statement, consider adding a few inflatable decorations or a lighted nativity scene. Remember, it's all about spreading holiday cheer. Happy holidays from my home to yours. I hope these Christmas decorating ideas have inspired you to add some festive cheer to your own home this holiday season. Remember, it's all about creating a space that feels warm, inviting, and full of holiday spirit. From my family to yours, wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a happy and healthy New Year. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and let me know which decoration idea you're most excited to try.